Good afternoon, children. We have studied about state government, chief minister. Last day we studied about union government. Last day we clearly studied about union government. Now we have to study about state government. About chief minister we have to study now. About chief minister of a state. We have to study chief minister. See, in a democratic country there is a presence of election. Election will be there in a democratic country. Election is a speciality of a democratic country. Election. In a democratic country, election will be there. And one party will get a majority of the seats. Election will be there in a democratic country like India. And after election, one party will get a majority of the seats. One party will get a maximum number of seats. One party will get a maximum number of seats. The leader of that party will be the chief minister. The leader of that party will be known as the chief minister, leader of that party. So, chief minister is the real leader of a state. Actually, according to constitution, governor is the real leader of the state. Governor is the real leader of the state. Governor is the leader of the state. But in reality or what is that? In reality or really, chief minister is the head of the state, chief minister. What are the qualifications of a chief minister? We have these qualifications. What is that? He should be the leader of the majority party. And he should have control over the legislative assembly members. He should have or he must have control over the legislative assembly members. Very special. He should have or he must have control over legislative assembly members. What are the powers? Powers and functions of the minister. What are the important powers and functions of the chief minister? We have to think. What are the important powers and functions of the chief minister? Important powers and functions of the chief minister. Powers. What are the major or what are the important powers of the chief minister? Above that we have to study powers. He is the leader of the majority party. He is the leader of the majority party. He is the leader of the majority party. Chief minister will be the leader of the majority party, first one. Second one, selecting the ministers. It is the chief minister It is the chief minister who is selecting the members of the ministry. Members. That means the chief minister will decide who should be or how many ministers should be there in the ministry. He will decide. Then portfolios of the ministers. Portfolios of the ministers. Portfolios of the ministers will be decided by the chief minister. Portfolio means department. Ministers do have or ministers are having their own departments. Ministers do have their own departments. So the departments of the ministers, different departments of the ministers will be decided by the chief minister, or it is the chief minister who is deciding the department of different ministers. Portfolios. You know it. Health ministers are there, health ministers. Education minister is there. Transport minister is there. Finance minister is there. Health minister is there. Sports minister is there. Scheduled caste and scheduled tribe ministers are there. Different ministers are there. Different ministers are there. The departments of all the ministers will be decided by whom? The departments of all the ministers are decided by the chief minister. Then removal of ministers. Removal of the ministers. Removal of the ministers will be decided by chief minister. The ministers may be removed because of so many reasons. Because of so many reasons, the ministers may be removed. Because of so many reasons, the ministers may be removed. Because of so many reasons, ministers may be removed. Sometimes the minister may be inefficient. The minister may not be able to do his work. Sometimes the minister may not be able to do his work. Sometimes the minister may not be able to do his work, or he may be inefficient. During such a situation, what will be there? He will be removed by the chief minister. Sometimes the minister may be doing corruption. That means the minister may receive money from the people. Sometimes the minister may do corruption, or he may receive money from other people. Sometimes the minister may travel through immoral traffic. The minister may travel through immoral traffic. In such a situation, the minister will be removed by the chief minister. Next one means the chief minister is acting as a link. You know what is link? You are using mobile now. The chief minister may work as a link between governor and the ministers. The chief minister will act as a link between the governor and the ministers. Governor. What is the meaning of this one? What is the meaning of this one? Link. What is the meaning of this one? We have the connection. All the ministers all the ministers may not have clear connection with the governor, or the governor will not know about all ministers. In such a situation, the chief minister will act as, in such a situation or in such a condition, the chief minister will act as a link between ministers and governor, center and state. Center and state. Center and state. The chief minister is acting as a link between center and state. Chief minister. What does it mean? It is the chief minister who is making relation between center and state. These are the powers of chief minister. Now we have to study about the court. We have learned or we have studied about the court. Nyayalaya or Nyayasthan. What are the duties of court? What are the duties of court? What are the important duties of court that we have to think? First one means law. What is that? The first duty of a court is to correct or to rectify those laws which were made by legislature. In a state, legislative assembly is there. Legislative assembly is there in a state. The legislative assembly is making laws. Legislative assembly is making laws. There is no doubt that it is a legislative assembly that makes laws. Legislative assembly is making laws. Then what is that? Sometimes the laws made by legislative assembly, may be wrong or bad. Sometimes the laws made by legislative assembly may be wrong. In such a situation, the rules of legislative assembly will be corrected by the court. Then, next one. See, sometimes there may be quarrel or jagada between different states. Sometimes there may be quarrel or jagada between different states. They may quarrel. Sometimes different states may quarrel one another. Different states may quarrel one another sometimes. When they are quarreling, what is that? When they are quarreling, court will correct their quarrel. Individuals. What is that? Sometimes people may fight. Sometimes people may fight one another. when the people are fighting one another, what is that? Sometimes people may fight one another. During that fight, it is a court who is correcting their mistakes. It is a court who is correcting their mistakes. Court will correct their mistakes. There is one special. And protection of the people. What is that? The court of India is giving, the court of India is giving protection to the people. Protection. The court is protecting the life, property of everything. The court is protecting the life, property of the people of a particular country. So, the court is having the duty of protecting the people. The court is really having the duty of protecting the people. Then we will study about Supreme Court. Supreme Court of India, Supreme Court. Supreme Court is the apex court. What is the meaning of apex? Topmost court is known as apex. Supreme Court is the apex court of India. The final court, last court of India is known as Supreme Court. That is, Supreme Court is the last court or the apex court of India. Supreme Court. Supreme Court is the last court or the apex court of India. Then Supreme Court is located in New Delhi. Supreme Court is there in New Delhi. New Delhi is the capital of India. Supreme Court is there in the land of New Delhi. Supreme Court. Then Supreme Court comprises of one Chief Justice. One Chief Justice will be there in the Supreme Court. One Chief Justice will be there in the Supreme Court. One Chief Justice will be there in the Supreme Court. Chief Justice will be there. He will be the final word in the case of judgment. 25 other judges are there. 25 other judges are there in the Supreme Court. One thing we have to remember now, one thing more, one important matter we have to remember now. From a district court, an example I tell you. From a district court, appeal can be given to High Court. From a district court, appeal can be given to the High Court. Appeal means giving petition. And from High Court, appeal can be given to Supreme Court. From High Court, appeal can be given to the Supreme Court. But the judgment of Supreme Court is final. From Supreme Court, appeal cannot be given to High Court or to District Court. But another case is that then death punishment will be there. Death punishment. Death punishment will be there. That means Supreme Court may punish somebody for death punishment. Supreme Court. During such a situation, President of India can cancel the death punishment on the people. President of India. President can cancel the death punishment on the people. In some rare cases, President may cancel the death punishment of the people. In some rare cases, President will cancel the death punishment of the people. Then we have learned about High Court. In India, there are 24 high courts. A high court is the apex judicial institution in a state. A high court is known as the apex judicial institution in a state. That is known as high court. High court is the apex judicial institution in a state high court. This is known as the apex judicial institution in a state. There are 24 high courts. In a state, the judgment of high court is final. From high court, we can give appeal to the Supreme Court. From the High Court, we can give appeal to the Supreme Court. From High Court. From High Court, we can give appeal to the Supreme Court. That is sufficient. So, almost all the states of India do have High Court. But sometimes, some states may share one high court. Sometimes some states may share one high court. Union government and state government and judiciary. The last part of this lesson we are studying. Last part of the lesson, union government, state government and judiciary. This we are going to study. Union government, state government and judiciary. This we are studying in this lesson. Union government, state government and judiciary. See, now we have studied about chief minister of a state. What is the meaning of chief minister? We are studying of chief minister of a state. Chief minister. We are studying about chief minister of a state. In all the states of India, what is the election is there? Election is there. In all the states of India, election is there. In the election, one party will get majority of the seats. In the election, one party only will get majority of the seats. One party will get majority of the seats, or one party will get maximum seat. The leader of that party will be elected as the chief minister of that state. The leader of that party will be elected as the chief minister of that state. That is the specialty. So, chief minister is the leader of. Chief minister is known as the leader of majority party in the state. Chief minister. So, chief minister is known as the leader of the majority party in the legislature. That is a specialty of chief minister. Then, powers of chief minister. How many powers are there for chief minister? What are the powers of chief minister? We have to know how many powers are there for the chief minister. What are the powers of the chief minister? We have to know. What are the important or what are the major powers of the chief minister? That we have to think. What are the important or what are the major powers of the chief minister? That we are ready. First one. Chief minister is the leader of majority party in the state legislature. What is the meaning of majority party? We have to think. Majority party. Majority party means that party which is having more members in the legislature. Majority party means that party which is getting maximum number of members in the state legislature. So, chief minister is the leader of majority party in the legislature. Chief minister is the leader of majority party in the legislature. That is one specialty, chief minister. Second one, it is the chief minister who is selecting other ministers. Other ministers are selected by whom? By the chief minister. Other ministers are selected by the chief minister. There are other ministers. Health minister will be there. Education minister will be there. Finance minister will be there. Transport minister will be there. Understood now? Then, scheduled caste, scheduled tribe department minister will be there. So, different ministers will be there in a state. So, the ministers are selected by the chief minister. The chief minister will decide who should handle different departments. Portfolios means departments. Portfolios are departments of the ministers. Portfolios are departments of the different ministers will be decided by the chief minister. Portfolios or different departments of different ministers are decided by whom? Different departments are decided by the chief minister. Who should handle the health department? Who should handle the finance department? Who should handle the sports department? Who should handle the transport department? Everything will be decided by whom? Everything will be decided by whom? Everything will be decided by the chief minister. Then, removal of the ministers. Removal. What is the meaning? Sometimes the ministers may be inefficient. Sometimes the ministers may not have ability. During that time, the ministers will be removed by whom? During that time, the ministers will be removed by the chief minister. Sometimes the ministers may be doing corruption. Ministers, they may receive money from the people and contractors. They may receive money. During that time, the ministers will be removed by the. During that time or during such a time, ministers will be removed by the chief minister. In some other case, the ministers may use immoral traffic without keeping morality, without using or without keeping a morality. The ministers may behave sometimes. During such a situation, what will be there? During such a situation or during such a condition, what will be there? Ministers will be removed by the chief minister. Link. What is a link? You know, you are using mobile phones. Link. What is the meaning of this one? Ministers act as chief minister is acting as a link between governor and other ministers. The governor will not be able to know all the ministers. The governor will not be able to know about all the ministers. The governor may not have an idea about all the ministers, but the chief minister will have a clear idea about all the ministers. So, the chief minister is acting as a link between. The chief minister is acting as a link between whom? Between the governor and other ministers. Then, the chief minister is acting as a link between central government and state government. The chief minister is acting as a connective link. It is acting as a connective link between central government and state government. It is the chief minister. It is the chief minister who is going to Delhi areas to discuss about the problems of Kerala government, to discuss about the problems of state government. It may be Kerala government, it may be Karnataka government. So, what is that? Chief minister is acting as a link between central government and state government. Chief minister is really acting as a link between central government and state government. These are the powers of chief minister. Now we have to study about court, Nyayalaya or Nyayasthan or Adalat. What are the duties or what are the major functions of a court? What are the duties or what are the major functions of a court? Duties or powers and functions of a court. First one means it is the legislature. In every state, state legislature is in every state. In every state legislature is there. Yesterday I told you about the duties of state legislature. Yesterday I clearly told about the duties of state legislature. I told you clearly. The first duty of A state legislature is to make laws. Law making is the first duty of a state legislature. Law making is known as the first duty of state legislature. State legislature will make laws, but sometimes those laws may be wrong or bad. Sometimes those laws may be bad. So, it is a duty of the court. It is a duty of the court to correct laws made by legislature. It is a duty of the court to correct laws made by the legislature. It is a duty of the state to correct laws made by the state legislature. First duty. Then sometimes one state may quarrel with another state. For example, Karnataka may quarrel with Maharashtra. Sometimes Maharashtra may quarrel with Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh may quarrel with Rajasthan, or Kerala may quarrel with Tamil Nadu. In such a situation, or in such a condition, or in such a situation, it is the court of India that is solving the quarrel between different states. It is the court of India. It is the court of India that is solving the quarrel between different states. Another one. Sometimes individuals also may quarrel, people. Sometimes people may quarrel one another, people. Sometimes people may quarrel. One person may beat another person, for example. Or one person may kill another person. In such a situation, what is that? In such a situation or in such a condition, the quarrel between the people are solved by the court of India. Then it is the court. It is the court of India that is protecting the people of India. Court of India is protecting the people of India as a whole. Court is protecting the people of India. Court is protecting the life, liberty and property of the people. The court is protecting the life, liberty and equality of the people. Supreme Court of India. Supreme Court. Supreme Court is the apex court of India. The last court of India is known as Supreme Court. Last one. The Supreme Court of India is in New Delhi. Supreme Court of India is in New Delhi. In the Supreme Court of India, there is one Chief Justice. One Chief Justice is there in the Supreme Court of India. And 25 other judges are there in the Supreme Court. One Chief Justice is there and 25 other judges are there in the Supreme Court. One example to you. From a district court, they can give appeal to the High Court. From High Court, they can give appeal to the Supreme Court. But from Supreme Court, we cannot give appeal to another court. What is the meaning of these things? Supreme Court is the final court of India, or Supreme Court is the apex court of India. What is the meaning of this one? Supreme Court is the final or apex court of India. Supreme Court is located in New Delhi. Supreme Court do have one Chief Justice. One Chief Justice is there in Supreme Court. 25 other judges are there in Supreme Court. From district court we can give appeal to High Court. From High Court we can give appeal to Supreme Court. But from Supreme Court we cannot give appeal to another court. Sometimes the Supreme Court may punish a person for death punishment. In such a situation, Indian President or President of India can cancel the death punishment. High Court of India. In the land of India there are 24 High Courts. 24 High Courts are there in the land of India. 24 High Courts. High Court is the apex court in the land of a state. High Court is the apex court in a state. High Court. High Court is the apex or final court in a state. High Court. High Court is the final court in a state. In all the states of India there are High Courts, but sometimes one or two states may share one High Court. Dear children, you watch this video. Read the same topic in the textbook. If you do have doubts, you please call me. Thank you.